One of the perfect side dishes for any comfort food is mashed potatoes. And when you add a little garlic, well, then that's just perfect. This is a really simple recipe for garlic lovers smashed potatoes. Now, you're going to begin with Yukon Gold potatoes, and I've just peeled the last of these. I'm going to cut it in half, pop this into my bowl, and we're going to start with a pot of cold water. Now, the reason you're going to want to put these in cold water and then bring them to temperature is because they're going to cook a little more evenly, plus you're not going to have as much starchiness in the water. All those into the water. Make sure they're nice and submerged, and then we're going to take our garlic cloves. Now, these have all been peeled and halved. The great part about this is the supermarket shortcut. You can buy these garlic cloves already peeled in the supermarket, and then all you have to do is just cut them in half and pop them right into the water. Let's go ahead and get a generous amount of salt in here. We'll bring this to a boil, and we'll start mashing. So the potatoes and the garlic all drained and into a great big mixing bowl. And as you look inside, you're going to notice that this garlic is now nice and soft. See how it kind of turns into a paste? We want that because that's going to really blend beautifully into the potatoes. But we also have to add a few other ingredients to make these super creamy and fantastic. We're going to add in some butter, a little sour cream to add some tang and also some extra creaminess. Then we'll put in some salt and pepper, generous amount again. And then finally some whole milk. To make these extra creamy, we're going to use a hand mixer, and this is really going to do the job nicely. It'll get in there, it'll break down the potato and the garlic, and give us a really beautiful creamy mash. All right, that's just about perfect. Now, let's get these served up into a bowl. And they're super creamy and really full of flavor. Gorgeous. Yukon Golds are great for this kind of potato dish because they just make for a creamy, creamy, perfect side dish. Aren't those pretty? Perfect for roast beef, roast chicken, pork chops, whatever you're serving. This is the perfect side dish. Then we'll garnish these with some scallion, and that, my friends, is perfect garlic smashed potatoes, for the garlic lover, of course.